Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anywhere you are, I'm back again. Now maybe that your girl they talk truth. People who know me as that girl they talk truth. Hey, longest time. I miss you guys. One love for those who they love me and one love for those we still know. Some people they no be say they no love you, they love you, but just say una know they agree together for wetin una the reason. You understand my point? Problem no dey. Although if na your first time to see this video, subscribe. My dear, you know say I still dey talk am, I dey very busy, and I make my no dey too drop video like that. And at times I go see some things sef I go overlook am because e just be like say word just dey repeat himself. You understand my point? But anyway sha, I dey drop video when I see say the thing just really dey bother me. I go talk say my drop video. This video I wan do na about Busola and Dakodo. Be Dakodo na be that pastor's name. You understand? I no wan talk anything put for this matter, but you know, as that girl dey talk truth, I go still reason am, I go still talk my own. You understand? I know say many go hate me for this word wey I wan talk, but I no care. But me, I go still talk the one I wan talk. You know, this thing wey dey reign, might just tell you truth. I no dey any side of Busola or any side of that Dakodo. I be na you name that pastor. I don't know wetin be name. She na I don't know that pastor. You understand my point? But people wey dey follow go on still understand wetin I dey talk. You understand? You see, raping something na something wey be say we suppose to take serious of things. You know, we go take am serious things of raping, because raping no be something be say woman wan experience for life. She understand my point? Na bad thing. But this case now wey we dey talk about Busola, this thing na something wey be say e don happen 20 years ago, and 20 years ago proof no damn. No be say you keep something like proof wey be say tomorrow if you wan bring out that case out, you go rush bring out that case out. You know that. And the way you know say this life wey dey, some people they put allegation for person head, make they just want punish that person. Because we know say rape now normal to be say guys they rape girls. So if girls, I don't get friend wey be say you just want punish one guy, you just go live. You know, yeah, where would they my dear, yeah, where would they? If husband and wife do am, him wife no gree, say make him do am, he do am. If the wife call police for the man talk say your husband no, you rape am, my dear, they go jail for that. Husband cause of say person will be say you and I no be husband and the wife. You understand my point? They take am serious. I don't see men wey be say they don't send go jail for fake something wey be say the thing no even happen at all. They carry and they put her for inside jail. Goddess of Nigeria now. You understand my point? Now we dey talk about Nigeria. You understand? You no get proof. A proof of something of 20 years ago. Proof no damn. My dear, you not supposed to even come outside safe. In fact, you're not supposed to come outside come talk about this thing, because even if somebody even they talk true safe, your husband and this man, they get problem. They get things wey be say they argue. We no even know wetin they argue. We be say they argue things. We be say I don't even care wetin they argue of. Me as I no be friend of pastor, might tell you truth. In fact, I hate pastor them, especially Nigerian pastor. I hate them. But I no go use to say because I hate them, I can't they paint this matter. I can't they paint and blue white. If to say proof dey for this way they talk, evidence, he carry evidence come outside. You show the evidence, they can't they do mango. Now that time, me that your girl they talk truth, my dad go dey your back, I go dey talk and well for you. But as proof no dey for this matter, I dey say this matter like fast. I dey say this matter like lie matter. Because you no go tell me say 20 years ago, you no carry this matter come outside. Now we be say you can't dey famous. You dey famous, the pastor dey famous. Now you can't dey bring this matter come outside. My dear, no, in fact, people wey dey believe this matter self. Now people will be say, in fact, I go even talk and say, na people will be say they deceive. Wey be say they go easily deceive, wey they die for inside deceive. Now it make fake people they easy they catch them. Because you go bring fast matter come answer, wey be say you talk and say, this thing happen, this kind thing happen, this one happen. Most still they talk truth at times, so you know, at times truth still they okay. Many they go jail for innocent thing. Me, I believe say if this man now no get mouth, if this pastor now no get mouth, no dey famous, I believe say he must go jail for something wey be say he no know one, he no know two about am. He go jail. Now because of say as he say still famous, now they still dey careful take judge like this case. Because me, I don't see anything judging where they be say they go judge for inside this matter. Prove no damn. 20 years ago, now in fact, now expire. If medicine where they do, where they put medicine where be say where they do, they even reach 20 years, it will expire. You don't be expiring something. Not be something we be say for carry commerce. If they really want that, if you really want do say you want really me as I don't even talk say this man no do this thing no. Nobody dey there. I know they even talk say you they lie you. I know they even call anybody for this matter say one person a lie, one person no be lie. But in Nigeria where all of us dey, where we know as things they go. Even at times self prove self they escape am. Accordance of the one will be say prove no they you know the outside country oh. No be outside country drop this case so we be say go talk say he go use mouth take winner because he be woman. You know the possible na Nigeria we are talking about. He go bring strong one. In fact, the way the person they do pakoko on top of the person. Now be say they believe am. Accordance of mouth, word of mouth for Nigeria, word of mouth. I beg go sit down one place. Go go even talk herself. Go sit down. Mona just go sit down one place. The disgrace on too much. And the pastor, if you do am or you know do am, he dey for God hand. Now God know the truth. No be say they do this video say they support the pastor. No, me I no be friend of any pastor, but I dey do this video because of say I don't say many will go jail for word of lie. You see lie. This person raped me. He take and go jail. I don't want to put for this matter when this matter they rain, no. But I can't say and say I don't even know say say at times I go dey tell my people say when I say Nigeria no get a law. When I say Nigeria no get law, my dear, if Nigeria really won't work, if they really won't follow their law, they do am well. Law dey Nigeria. Might tell you. As soon as they say corrupt, as soon as they say Nigeria corrupt rich, na lie. Or let's say they no one work. If they really want to do their work, my dear, if the thing catch you, it catch you. If they won't judge you, if they catch you, in fact, if law won't hit you, it hits you. Mona dey careful to na they do, and mona dey careful to na they talk, This law, it exists. Nigeria get law. One law for people who love me, and one law for those who don't still love me. One love. If now your first time to see my video, subscribe. I love you guys, my dear. I dey busy. Now make me another to draw video like that too. If you even see me, go see say na house I dey. I dey with my nightingale. I do this video. I love you guys. One love, one love. Subscribe with those who love me and one love.